Hello everyone, in Python programming, in the chapter called file handling, we are going to learn about working with text file, and in that particular topic we are going to talk about reading from text files today. So let's begin with all the four functions which are provided by Python to work for reading from the files. First one is a read function with empty brackets. It is used to read the entire data from the file. It starts from the cursor up to the end of the file, means where the currently cursor is positioned to the end of file. Second one is read with a size in the bracket. That is, it read n characters from the file starting from the cursor, and if the file holds fewer than n characters, it will read until the end of file. Simple. And third one is the read line. It is used to read one line from the file. And the last one is read lines. It is used to read all the lines from the file into a list. The only difference between the first function read and the last function read lines is that first reads the data as it is, but the last one reads every line as a element of a list. So let's see how it works. First one is read with an empty bracket or read with a size as a parameter. So the syntax is simple, like file object dot read empty bracket or file object dot read with a size. This is how they work. We'll see one by one. Let us see. I have a text file called sample, and it is having a data like hello all. We are studying Python. Topic of the day is file handling, and my code I wrote to access this file is a file object opening a file in my E drive called sample.txt in a reading mode, and the same handle is attached to the read function, and the output of the read function, which is entire data, is stored back in the variable called data, and I printed the variable data, and then I closed the file. Let's see what output it produces. It produces the entire file as it is, the data in the entire file, right? So if we move to the read size thing, the file is same, but here instead of keeping it empty, I gave a parameter 5, so it will read 5 characters like HELLO, first 5 characters. Let's see the output. Yes, it has given me the 5 characters. So now read line. Syntax is again same, file object dot read line, and if I keep the file same, and only change I made here is that instead of read I have written read line. Rest everything is same. A file object is opening the file, and then it is storing the data coming from the read line function, and after that I am printing the data. So it's giving me hello all because it's the first line which I intended to read. And the last one is read lines, which means it will read entire basically data. So the sample file is same. I replaced read line by read lines, and here it read everything, but all the lines are coming as the element of a list enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas. And one thing you can also notice that there is a new line character also, because after every line there is a new line character to take it to the next line, enter key kind of effect. So if we summarize all the four functions, it's like read works on the same file like this, read with a size 5 like this, and read with a line like this, and read lines work like this. Thank you. And if you have any question regarding this, always ask. Thank you.